I get this question all the time. Deven, how do you validate a niche by checking whether viewers ask beginner and intermediate versions of the same question? Use what I call the question ladder test. Step 1. Define the core promise of the niche in one sentence. For example, help creators choose a YouTube niche. Step 2. Collect real audience questions from YouTube search, comments, Reddit, and forums. Split them into 2 buckets. Beginner questions are setup questions, like, how do I pick a niche? Or how broad should my niche be? Intermediate questions are optimization questions, like how do I narrow my niche without killing demand? Or how do I test 2 niches before I pivot? Step 3. Check continuity. The intermediate questions should feel like the next logical step after the beginner ones. Same topic, deeper problem. If you have to change topics to find the next layer, that niche probably doesn't have strong progression. Here's the decision rule. Greenlight the niche if you can find at least 5 beginner questions, 5 intermediate questions, and 3 bridge questions across at least 3 sources. If you only see beginner questions, you may get clicks but not long-term depth. If you only see intermediate questions, it'll be harder to bring new viewers in. I usually map this in a sheet or in Satira when I'm comparing several niches at once. That's the test.